Hi guys, today we're back with another fuss-free Ikan Bakar or baked fish recipe using a shortcut for maximum flavor, minimum effort kind of meal. Dan kali ini saya akan hidangkan bersama dengan cecah istimewa yang menggunakan buah sentul. So kalau korang tak pernah lihat buah sentul, watch till the end. Now let's prep the fish. Sebenarnya tak banyak untuk buat lah sebab kat pasar tadi diorang pun dah bersihkan dan butterflykan untuk saya. Now I'm using Seabass, but you guys can use any type of white flesh fish. First of all, kita lumurkan ikan dengan garam dan serbuk kunyit. This is a classic Melayu marinate untuk kebanyakan protein yang digoreng ataupun dipanggang. Begin with a little bit of bawang merah, halia dan bawang putih. Now, kita tambahkan sedikit garam ke dalam pestan mortar ni, grind all the ingredients together. Now, masukkan miso paste dan sedikit serbuk perapan ayam madu Adabi atau dikenali sebagai spam. Ia adalah marinade premix yang sesuai untuk macam-macam hidangan. Tambahkan juga sedikit gula dan sedikit minyak untuk sepatikan semua. Now, would you look at that? Grab yourself some aluminium foil, place it on a baking tray and cut up the banana leaf to layer on top of the foil. Sapukan paste perapan tadi di atas banana leaf untuk elakkan ikan kita daripada hangus di bahagian bawah. And the rest of the paste goes over the fish. I have preheated the oven to 200 degrees Celsius with the fan and top-bottom heater element turned on. And in the oven it goes for about 20 minutes or until the fish is cooked. Now, guys, inilah buah sentul. First of all, we peel the skin, remove the seed, and then you chop it up. Lepas tu, saya masukkan ke dalam lesung. Now, to add to it, we're going to put in some shallots. And for that spiciness, you guys know me, I love my chilies. We're adding in some chili padi. This, though, is completely up to you. If you do not like spiciness, you can opt out. Now, crumble in the belacan, tambahkan sedikit lime leaf yang telah di-shredded, in with some sugar and salt. Now, we grind everything together. The purpose is, kita tak nak buatkan dia sampai jadi paste. Acidity, we're going in with some tamarind paste. Add some water to dissolve the tamarind paste and strain it with your fingers. Itulah cara dapat air tangan. Now, for fragrance and more complexity to the sourness, I'm adding in some Calamansi. Akhirnya, bunga Kantan. Kita hiriskan halus-halus for that beautiful herbaceous aroma. Kacau rata dan dah siap. Bila ikan dah masak, hidangkan bersama dengan sos cecah buah sentul dan hiaskanlah dengan sedikit daun ketumbar dan bawang untuk that lovely freshness. Now, it's time to eat. That fish is so beautifully cooked. Now, the one thing about Ikan Bakar you guys always have to remember is never overcook your fish. The contrasting flavors absolutely delicious. It's like a freaking bazaar going on in my mouth. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Guys, don't forget to click the like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Alright? Peace. Ciao.